To group and filter by custom fields on Kanban board, we'll go to the Kanban board tab in this collection, and then we'll select the Kanban board that we want to look at. So to start, we'll look at filters, and we'll click on the filter button here and add criteria. So for this example, we want to look at quarters. So we'll search that and select it. And then we want to look at Q3 for this example. And then we'll press Apply Filter. So here we can see that we have a few items that are marked as Q3 on this board. Now to look at the group by for this example only, we'll remove the filter by hitting Reset. And then we'll go to the No Group drop-down and we'll select Quarters. Now here we can see that we have items in Q1, we have items in Q3, we have one item here in Q2, and then the items in No Group, again, do not have a quarter designation.